In a matter of minutes, the world can be changed forever. Earthquakes strike without warning, leaving destruction in their wake. One such event was the devastating 2011 earthquake in Japan, a natural disaster that triggered a tsunami and impacted millions of lives. But this is not just a story of destruction, it's a story of resilience. When the ground shakes, buildings crumble, roads crack, and lives are lost. The magnitude of the earthquake can flatten entire cities as the violent force tears through infrastructure. Families are left without homes, businesses are destroyed, and the death toll can be staggering. But in the darkest moments, humanity comes together. First responders risk their lives to save others. International aid flows in, and communities mobilize to support the most vulnerable. Rescue teams dig through rubble, searching for survivors. Every minute counts as hope drives their efforts. After the immediate crisis, the challenge of rebuilding begins. It takes years, even decades, to recover from such devastation. Entire neighborhoods are rebuilt from scratch, and the scars of the disaster remain for generations. Governments and organizations invest in creating earthquake-resistant structures, preparing for a future that may once again test their resilience. Earthquakes remind us that we cannot control the forces of nature, but in the face of disaster, we witness the strength of the human spirit. Together, we rebuild. Together, we endure. And together, we prepare for what may come next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.